Alright YouTubers, we're starting today with this Butterfly Industrial Ceiling Fan. This is cast iron, very heavy. I didn't check the weight yet. Aluminum blades, plastic canopies. As you see, it's labeled Butterfly. Sadly, canopies are damaged and broken in the plastic. I have some spare plain tat ones over there. And I'm probably just going to throw in here just so I can make it look good. Probably repaint it, and I'll probably keep the original sticker. Let's see if I can find like a butterfly logo or something like that. Either way, cast iron motor, aluminum blades. Basically an older one almost. Made in Hong Kong. Mom's a bit scratched up. This came out of a carpentry shop with some other fans. Let's go ahead and put this thing on low. This is on the 3 amp Dayton speed control. I gave the bearing a little WD-40. It seemed a little stiff, but still seemed smooth. These are actually really cool. I still have to clean it up, obviously, so I'll probably make a video of one of these. I actually have 2 of these. I'm probably going to keep this one. The other one's missing the ring, so I don't know yet. But definitely good fans. So there's low speed. Let's go ahead and go to a medium speed. Around there somewhere. Pretty well balanced actually after I bent the blades back. Already actually feel it moving air. Let's go ahead and go to high. Quite the strong breeze directly underneath it. Goes pretty good RPM speed. Not sure if anyone's ever found one of these before. Definitely moving some good air. Wow. A little bit over here. Really, and you spin down. Bearing's making a little bit of a hissing noise. It probably still needs a little more TLC. Probably gonna hit it with some of the white lithium next, so it can seal them up a little better. Like I said, I just got this out, so see what happens. I do have another one of these butterfly fans. I have to test it and make sure it's running good. If it runs good, I'll probably be selling that one. So any offers are accepted. These are cast iron once again, aluminum blades. Besides that, I've got a few more things I have to test today, so should be an interesting day today. Oh. Well, there we go. Pretty good pitch on these blades too. There you go. Thanks for watching.